This is modern advanced chair used for dental treatment. There are two types. The one is portable dental chair, the other one is non-portable. So this is the non-portable that cannot be removed and that cannot be movable. It is attached to the floor. Now parts of the dental chair. The first one is seat, then armrest, backrest, headrest, seat cover, base, main switch, setting switch, now the dental light. It has been called dental light, operator light and bulb. It should be kept 30 to 50 inches away from the patient. It should not be shine in patient's eye. It must be protected with plastic wrap, aluminium foil. It must be removed and replaced after every patient. Now the dental chair control. These buttons are pushed to move chair according to convenience of clinician. To change the position of the patient according to the clinician. It can be moved backward. It can be moved forward. We can reset the chair after the completion of dental treatment to its normal position. It is automated or it can be set manually. Cup or disposable glass holder. We can take the cup and place it in its position. It is for patient to take in water during procedure. And then gargle and spit out in the spitten bowl. It is provided with water supply to clean the bowl and push it toward the drain. The chair also contains the tissue holder for the patient to take it out and remove the dripping water. The modern advanced dental chair also contains the LED. This is used for patients to make them see all treatment if they want it to. It has a camera stick attached that has to be inserted in mouth of the patient and displays the all treatment on LED. It has a movable instrument tray that can be moved easily as per according to the convenience of clinician. This tray is used to replace or place the napkin on which the instruments are placed. Now the air water syringe. It has two buttons. The first one is for water. And the second one is for air. It supplies a focused stream of compressed air, water, or combination of both. It is used to clean a tooth surface during dental treatment. Next one is handpiece. It contains a burr. It is used for the trimming of the tooth. For example, for fillings for crowns. It can be used by the foot presser. It also contains the water flow. Next and most important is motor handpiece. It is used for the impacted tooth and removal of the broken down roots to drill out the bone and remove the tooth particles easily. It also contains water inlet. This is also a plug for a handpiece. We can keep 2 handpieces at a time in the tray. And the last one is plug for the scaler tip. It is used by footsteps. Its speed and water can be controlled. There are 3 buttons downside the tray. These 3 buttons are used to control the speed, air and water for the scaler and burr. Foot control motor. It is used when both of the hands are engaged. It has same operating button as manuals. Its use can be considered safe as in it can be operated by foot press while maintaining the instrument sterilization to not be touched by hands frequently during the dental procedures. And the dental chair also contains the dental chair also contains a tray for the assistant. There are many buttons on this tray for the use of assistant to assist the clinician. It has the power button for light, for reset the position of dental chair, and the for flow of water, the air control syringe, the suction pump to assist the clinician during the procedures. It can be moved easily.